For those of you who love Stromboli but don't want all of the calories from the bread, this recipe and video is for you. I made a Stromboli sandwich that actually tastes like a Stromboli without all of those extra calories from that giant piece of bread that you get in a normal Stromboli. For the bread, I'm using a sourdough pizza crust from Organic Bread of Heaven, and then you'll need your choice of pizza sauce, deli meats. I put onions on there. I put red onions and sweet onions. And for the meat, I went with salami, pepperoni, turkey, ham, and the cheese I have Swiss and Munster. When I have all of the meat and cheese added, I'll take butter, melt it, add garlic powder to it to make a nice garlic butter that I'll put on top. Then I'll put the other piece of crust on top and I'll make it into my sandwich. For cooking this in the oven, I put it in at 400 degrees for 15 minutes. To be honest, I was a little worried how this would turn out. I put a ton of meat in there. I wasn't sure how it was gonna hold up, but it actually held together really well. It tasted really good, and I couldn't believe how much it tasted like a Stromboli. Don't forget to save some of that extra pizza sauce so when your sandwich is ready, you can heat it up and you have something to dip it into. And that's all there is to it. Altogether, this took probably 20 minutes to get ready. If you enjoyed the video and are looking for more healthy recipes, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Every few days, I'll be posting more healthy video recipes. Let me know what you think.